What's the secret recipe to building a successful reseller hosting business? The growing demand for hosting services has increased the competition amongst service providers. It has become more difficult to stand out as a hosting reseller or even get noticed. See how you can build a successful reseller hosting business and stand apart from the saturated market. Choose a reliable host. Your web host plays a determining role in your brand's success as they own and maintain the hardware. Choose a good host that ensures maximum performance, security, uptime, and more features for your business. Choose a niche. A niche helps you attract a specific clientele, stand out, and offer distinctive hosting services. Choose a niche you wish to become an expert in to offer tailor-made and customized hosting plans. Don't slack on customer support. Customer support is perhaps the most critical aspect of a business's success. Extremely dedicated, agile, and customized support is what will help you make your business a success. Don't underestimate the marketing. Marketing is the path towards reaching the right audience and converting them to your clients. Leverage social media marketing, email marketing, and SEO. Optimize your content to reach more prospects. Use applications like WHMCS. We know you need to spend more time focusing on growing your business and customer retention strategies. Resellerclub's reseller web hosting plans offer free cPanel and WHM with maximum performance at cost-effective rates. WHMCS automates repetitive tasks like invoicing, making it easy to manage and control your business. Grow your business by selling flexible hosting plans and using automated billing and support panels.